the dimensional portal possibility. The most mind-blowing theory surrounding CERN's potential black hole creation isn't just about the holes themselves, it's about where they might lead. According to cutting-edge string theory, our universe isn't the flat, three-dimensional space we experience every day. Instead, we're living on a thin slice of reality floating in a vast ocean of hidden dimensions that exist parallel to our own. These extra dimensions are so tightly curled up that they're invisible to us, but they're there, influencing everything from the fundamental forces to the very fabric of space-time itself. When CERN smashes particles together with enough energy to potentially create micro-black holes, these quantum tunnels might actually punch temporary holes through the barriers separating our dimension from these hidden realms. This could explain one of physics' greatest mysteries, why gravity is trillions of times weaker than electromagnetic forces. The theory suggests that gravity isn't actually weak, it's just spreading its influence across multiple dimensions simultaneously, diluting its strength in our three-dimensional slice of reality. If micro-black holes at CERN really are acting as brief portals to these extra dimensions, then every collision isn't just creating and destroying matter, it's opening fleeting windows into parallel universes that exist mere millimeters away from us in directions we can't even comprehend. This means CERN might not just be studying particles, it could be humanity's first glimpse into the true multidimensional nature of existence itself.